I had to describe my approach to service in one word, it would be creativity.
Aggressive.
Responsiveness.
Pragmatic.
Human.
Nimble.
I think it's hard for lawyers to use one word often, but I would say responsive.
The best piece of professional advice I've ever received was, if you spend your day righting wrongs, when you go home at night, you're gonna feel okay.
This may sound a little strange, but always, always, always have a business card with you.
There are only 2 rules to being successful. Figure out what you want to do and do it.
Don't put the cart before the horse. And over time, though, that saying has meant so much to me. It's something I even tell my clients to this day.
Don't try to be a jack of all trades. Specialize.
It's critical to develop an expertise in your industry practice if you want to be able to fully educate your clients on what they need to know on a daily basis. And when you say industry practice, that's not just me as an employment lawyer, that's also me understanding the specific industries that my clients work in on a day-to-day basis.
Intellectual property protection, shipping and customs terminology, retailer and outsourcing, especially overseas, product liability issues. I'm fortunate to have had over 11 years of experience and constant deal flow in these industries, and I draw upon that experience in every deal that I negotiate.
The particular practice area that we specialize in is venture capital and emerging growth company representation. There are so many challenges that these companies confront. So it's been important to us, in addition to coming up with the right kind of delivery and pricing models to best serve the needs of early stage companies, that we also contribute to creating a center of commerce for them.
You must see so many steps down the road or so many steps down the chessboard to really advise your client right. Because you don't know what decision you're going to make today as a trial lawyer, as a litigator, that your client's going to have to live with 2 weeks from now or 2 months from now or even 2 years from now.
This problem is tenfold in the intellectual property space, where patent and trademark law is evolving almost daily. So it's critical to practice this specialty on a day-to-day basis to truly provide the level of expertise and service that a client would require.
It's very important if you have a niche practice and a boutique law firm because you're doing the same types of work on a regular basis, and that way you know the nuances. And I always say it's when you're dealing with a bureaucracy, it's like going through the forest and you know the path. You know how to carve the path out.
I think it's very important for a lawyer to develop a deep subject matter expertise in whatever area of law that they practice, because that establishes credibility. And credibility, per David Maister, is one of the components of establishing trust. Establishing trust is critical to being successful in a professional services industry, and that starts with credibility.
If we don't know the ins and outs of every situation, and these situations evolve very quickly, you have to know what's going to happen and how to react in a moment's notice. Things change on a dime, and you need to have the correct response ready.
You want to be able to advise the client based on a deep well of knowledge, which is in turn based on the experience that you've gained in the particular industry.
I feel that it's important to be a broad-based attorney at a firm like Chadbourne and also within the world. I can't tell you that there haven't been times where someone's come to me with an issue or a problem that I don't understand, and I have to say, well, I have somebody who can help you. It's been my motto. I've always said, I don't know how to do this, or I've had limited experience, but I'm going to get somebody who can help you be an expert, and I'm going to learn alongside.